Sunday, the 21st of September, 2025. We're leaving Lindale Mill, and we're headed to the locks on the Coosa River, where the riverboats used to come up to. Our GPS says about 10 minutes, 6 miles. When we get over there, we will give you the makeup of the Coosa River. It's formed by the Etowah and the Oostanala, but the Oostanala is formed by the confluence of several other rivers, and we will get that information for you at that time. This is a Rome, Georgia, or Floyd County park, so I don't know whether they may charge us to get in. They might very well. We're going to go the back road route. It's the quickest route, but it's a back road route. We could get more pictures of the mill over here, couldn't we? I didn't think about coming over here to get pictures. Lindale, Georgia. We gave you the information on Lindale on the other video. Formed around 1896, growing up around the Massachusetts cotton mill that was established in 1896. Current population is about 4,662. The elevation, that's a nice mill pond there. We may have to come back this way and get some more pictures for that video before we start uploading it. The elevation is 666 feet. Square surface area is 5.6 square miles. This is new video. We do not have this video. Yeah, we may have to come back this way and explore a little bit more. It's about 12 o'clock, high 70s, supposed to go to 87 today, down to 67 tonight. Still very pleasant right now. Please like, share, and subscribe. We need the subscribers, we need the watch hours, the views, and the likes and the shares to help grow the channel. I like this. We haven't been this way. I like it a lot. Yeah, the riverboats used to come up from the Gulf up here to Rome, Georgia, Floyd County. Look at this new stuff from the high 200s. Ranch and two-story, 3 and 4 bedrooms. Unless something else draws our attention, we may come back by here and do a little exploration on the housing and other stuff right here in the area. Really neat. Really, I like it. I like it a lot. New homes coming soon. Ford, two-door up there, two-door post car. This railroad track looks abandoned. It is. It hasn't had anything on it in a while. Must be a spur line, maybe to that warehouse or factory or something other. Maybe a spur line to the mill. I don't know. Okay, this should be US 411, I think. We're going to turn right. Yes, this is. This is north, US 27, north 411, east 53, Georgia 1. Behind us, I'll take you all the way back down through Alabama, parts of Alabama, branch over into Alabama, and then down into Florida, all the way down to central, maybe South Florida. North, I don't know how far it goes, but it'll go up through Rome. We're headed towards Rome now. But we'll be turning right in 2 miles, it says. And then doubling back. This girl messing with us this morning. Uh-oh, we were supposed to turn right there. Okay, we'll go up, loop around, and come back. Now we're 9 minutes away. A lot of people would have stopped and backed up, and it probably would have been okay. But I just, I believe you just need to go past. If you miss your turn, go past, turn around and come back. US 27 was a major route before I-75 south, from north to south to Florida and back. We'll be up here a week getting video or more. We're cat sitting, Mr. Cat. Check out his videos. We'll be putting more videos of Mr. Cat on. She's got us going to the right now. Now, why did she have us going to the other way? What's she doing? Tell you what, she must have stayed out late last night. It's 12 o'clock and she's messing with us. I thought we should have gone to the right up here somewhere. She had us going to the, going to the across the road or up here, and she had us going up here, then turning right and going. I think she was looping us back around. That's the thing about the weekends. This girl must party hard. You get her up. She gets up on the wrong side of the road on the weekends. Boy, or wrong side. Well, maybe the wrong side of the road is a better expression. You get her up on the wrong side of the road on the weekends, and boy, you've got problems. She will send you everywhere, but where you want to go. She is a super sharp cookie, but she will mess with you. A trickstress. Now it says we're 5 minutes away. You see, I don't know why she had us turning right on 411 to start with. We should have went right straight across. Crazy girl. Party hard on the weekends and then you got a bad hangover and you can't. Or either she just wants to mess with you on the weekends. I think it's AI stuff. I think they have their own way of getting back at you. South. Let's see what the compass says. Compass says we are heading northwest. That makes sense. Black's Bluff Road. Nature Preserve. It looks like the gate was locked. Yeah, I think we'll go back that same way we came and get some more pictures for the meal and edit that video, add some pictures. Maybe some video. I guess this is open on Sunday. We'll know shortly. Passing by the Slice. Okay, Lock and Dam Park. They may have camping. I hope I hear a rock in the tire, not a nail. We haven't really come across any gravel, have we? I hope we don't have a nail in the tire. This could be a day use area with a fee, but we'll find out. If it is, it is. Got to pay to play. Is that what they say? Yeah, they have a camping area. Interesting. I wonder how much it costs. Must be Floyd County. Boat launch fee $3. Park pass $2. Pay inside trading post. So we'll pay inside. We'll ask them how much camping is. I don't want to park in the sun, but that's where we're going to be going mostly, I think. Let's park right here. The locks are down here right here to our left, I think, or maybe right behind here too. And so this will be the end of this. Is a 17-minute video. This will be the end of this one, and then we're going to make a separate video of this here.